Okay, so chipping, practice drill for you. We are going to go, remember your setup, set up for anything typically short game, could be bunker play, could be chipping, could be pitching, right? We're putting our weight on our lead side. You know, I would say at least 75–80%, right? So that you're kind of leaning forward so that what you're doing is you're making contact with the ball first, right? Because what we want to do is we want to make sure that our mass is in front of the ball so that that's where the club bottoms out. So with this type of shot, we're going to get our weight forward, we're going to move our whole body left, and then we're just going to turn and turn, okay? Just as easy as that, right? Get our body left, we are going to turn and turn. All right, now one thing you can do for like a game for yourself to make sure that we're chipping it close enough, right? Our goal is to get it within, you know, hopefully 2 feet, maybe 3 feet, something that we can make a putt. Get yourself like 10 balls, you know, find a hole, do 10 shots to that hole and see how many times you can get up and down. You know, the idea is when you're chipping around the green is we want to get the ball up and in 2 shots, right? And that way we're saving par or saving a bogey and keeping our round going. You know, the last thing we want to do is be chipping the ball, you know, to 5–6 feet and then 2-putting, because then we're just adding unnecessary strokes. So like I say, I would go ahead and get yourself like 10 balls. You know, you can go to different holes, you can go to the same hole, maybe start off with the same hole so you can kind of get a gauge of how hard to hit the shot to go that certain distance, and then maybe start feeling out other distances, because really all it is just you're taking the club back a little bit further, which is going to generate the natural momentum, right? We're not really going to add a bunch of speed. Just want to make sure that we're set up on our lead side, making a good turn. We turn back, we turn through, the ball comes out with good spin, good trajectory, and hopefully stops close to the ball.